Hi everyone, today we're going to make fat balls for the birds. I don't know what it's like where you are, but it's really cold and we've had snow today, and fat balls are really good for the birds this time of weather. So I've got oats in here which I'm going to blitz up in my NutriBullet, good old fashioned oats. I've got about half the thing full there. There we go, so they're nice and fine. So they go in, I mix them. Oh, you could mix this by hand, but if you've got a mixer, it's a lot easier. You also need a couple of slices of bread. So if you just tear those up, just to put them in. Like that. Breadcrumbs, already all done. Give them a tap, put them straight in the water. So you need a couple of cups of birdseed. This isn't exact, so we put 2 in, we mix it, and then we see whether it's enough or not. So 2 nice big cupfuls of mixed wild birdseed. Really good to feed the birds this time of year because I can't always find food very easily, so I very much rely on people giving them a little bit of a helping hand. And also it's really fun to watch them eat fat balls as well because they get really excited. So what I'm going to do is cut the lard off into the, just cut it into chunks, a whole block of lard. So really cheap from the supermarket. About 40p, so it's really not an expensive thing to do, and something that's really good for the birds when it's really cold. So, and then just mix it together until it's all combined. A bit like making a cake. So it's all combined really nicely. You might need to scrape it down and a few bits fly out, just scrape them off the worktop and chuck them in. So if I take the beater off now, and you just form this into balls, like so. You can either chill them in your fridge or put them somewhere really cold. I've got a conservatory which is really cold, so I'm going to put mine in my conservatory to warm up, to chill. So you only feed these to the birds in the winter months. It's not good to give it to them in the summer months because it can go on their feathers and it can stop them being able to fly properly. So you would never give things like this to a bird in the summer, but very good in the winter. Very good for them indeed. So those are mine completed. So like I said, I'm going to chill those in the conservatory because it's really cold in there. You can use, you can make your own recipe for the different seeds that you put in there. We buy a mixed bird seed because it's just easy for us to do that, but you can put suet in there, sunflower hearts, you can put mealworms in there. You know, it's really up to you what you want to put in there, but doing a mixed bird seed is a really easy way of doing it. Now our garden, we seem to get lots of starlings that really like ours, but there are a wide variety of birds that really do like fat balls during the cold months. So you'll get to see some lovely birds which will be really nice as well. So if you like what you see, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel.